Hello, Lucky7, how are you? Fast support. Yeah, I was doing some cleaning yesterday. I was presenting and I was like, oh, let's use the virtual camera. And I was like, okay, let's create another profile and delete. And kind of delete everything. I forgot to change scenes collection. So I was deleting the real one. I have a backup, but it's old. I think it's a passage, like you need to go there, just like, you know, not doing backups or something like that when you're a developer. And at some point you just delete a database without having a backup and then say, oh, I will do backup now. I'm just trying to go, you know, in OBS there's a like the two views, so I could change scenes without showing where I am. I forgot what it is. The studio view, yes. How do we change?
Bonjour, hi.
Hello, Fragbird. Where is that studio view? I don't see it. Tools. Yeah, no problem, Fragbird. Bottom right, usually. Ah. Boom. Excellent. Thank you. That was cool. So now I put the chat in this scene. So if I change scene, I don't change for you. Okay, that's cool. Let's try again. Chat, Control C. Why it's not pasting? Is it because I'm live? Is it because I'm not in that scene? Okay, let's remove studio mode. Let's try again. Control C. Control V. It was working earlier, so how can I... There it is. Okay, is it working also in studio mode? Go back in here. Oh. Transition. Chat is there. Let's add some chat. Interesting. So the Control C doesn't work, but if I right click and then say copy, it worked. Cool. Okay, so now I have the chat in all my stuff. I could share what I'm doing anyway, right? Yeah, let's do that. Are we going in Inception? Not sure if it's really helpful. So how was your week, sir? Oh, you know what? Let's Let's do that. I feel guilty not showing anything. So what I want to use, oh yeah, I want to put back the overlay when I have new follower and everything. That was a stream element. Oh, can I go in my, if I go, hello, I'm back. Multiple Frank everywhere. Damn it. Okay. Let's try to do that. So it was a browser, and I think that's what I'm looking for. 1920 by 1080. The music is super low, right? Can you hear any music? I think you can, but by my mic. I should wear a headset. Like that? Is it better? I want the music low. I don't know, I just want some trace. Okay. Yeah, so now let's go see here. Oh my god. Maybe 14. Still very low. I'm boosting the sound of like usually when I play music here. Now speak. I'm speaking. I play with my the sound here. Instead of being 100%, I put lower, and in OBS I kind of leave everything at the max. The reason is when I have guests, the sound comes from there, so they are mixed with the music. I shouldn't maybe do it that, but yeah, maybe now I will be able to do that. Yeah, it's better? Cool. So I have this. So where are my stuff? My overlay. think that's the one I want to... like, yeah, you want to see it? Oh, like I could compare what I had. Yeah, that's the one I have. Okay, cool. So if I do maybe in this edit, I will be able to emulate a follower event. No? Oh, that's interesting. Why it's not possible? A subscriber. Okay. Cool. Okay, so I have this, so let's put it everywhere. Everywhere. So new follower actions. Whoop. And I need to put my things on. Do not disturb. Okay, so now, see, if I do a Control C and I try to go in another scene and paste it, oh, now it's working. Earlier it was not working. Did you assign a project? Yes. Yes, I did. Why it's asking me that? It shouldn't be. Let's do it again. Start. Okay, so I did here. Let's go this view, Control V, and here Control V. But I want it under the chat. No, over the chat, but CB. Parachute game on top, CB on top. Yeah, let's go back again. So it should be CB is the top, then the chat, then the stuff. Yeah. So CB, chat, new follower, parachute. Okay, that one is good. CB, chat. I should do a group and copy the group. Cool. So now we have CB, right? If we do this, yep. And if I do this, CB is on top of it. Cool. One thing I could do is I need to do some. Let's put this on the side. I need to retrieve my my assets. So yeah, so let's do that. So I think I have a bunch of stuff in Streamlabs client in media. Oh, that's not a lot of stuff. That's very not a lot of stuff. So where are my things? Oh man. So stream sounds, I have the sounds. I should move that to assets, but that will break other things. I won't do it right now. Video, it's empty. Let's delete it. Okay, so Copper Birdie, hello my friend. No sneaky sound today. They're not working? Oh, I need to add something, right, in my scene, I think, for them to work. Interesting. So that is back. That's the butt. Does it mean I was not using it? Does Stream Element have a chat overlay and maybe I was using that? How come like I didn't see that notification for the Amazon Prime thing? Ah, I was using this one. If I do. Nope, nothing. I don't like that. I was not planning to do that today. Oh man. Okay, let's try that. So if I do this one and I add a browser thing and I say chat stream element, right? Alright, and now I do this, and I just keep it that way, and I do transition. So now if we do test, I don't have the other. What's checker? I think I like that one that I have, so no, I'm not using that one. Delete. Move. So let's rename that one though, so I remember. Whoops. Rename chat Streamlabs. What do you do with that? Would you write, Mr. Boucher? Oh, I break everything. I delete all my scenes. Like, all of them. I was doing a presentation yesterday and I thought I will use the virtual cam and I will, you know, so this is a fake background here. It's a picture of my wall. And I was like, okay, I will do that and then I will switch to something like, boom. Oh no, yeah, and I need to do transition now. And then I will be able to do my presentation. But cleaning my stuff, I scrub a little bit too hard and delete everything. So maybe that's why Mr. Jason is not joining me today. I don't know. Or maybe he's sleeping. Been there. Yeah, I think that's what I was just saying to... Oh, I should have done... Lucky No 7. I should have done... Oh, maybe it's not there. Let's try it. So, it's still working. Phew. Shout out to Lucky 7. I was saying that I think it's like doing a backup on a database. You're landing! Awesome! Pascal is there. And now there's a few things. Did you know that there's command now in the game? So you could do drop top. and it tells you the stats. And you could do drop, what's the best again? What's drop, top, drop, that, drop, recent. Well, I think it will be the same. I don't know. And drop high. So look like Instafluff implemented all the command I was looking for. That's awesome. The lowest score. So since you are the last, I reset the game. So since you're the only one who land, you are both the highest and the lowest score. Isn't it beautiful? Oh man. Okay, so I have one thing that is fixed. I should put my little one here. So this one, I want behind my cloud, and I will go this. At least. Oh, and now I could even say where it is. So I want it in program. So if I go back here and now I push the button. No? Oh, because I didn't transition. So I'm here, now I push a button and it's working. Oh, excellent. I'm the beginning and the end. Oh, that sounds like a smart quote in a movie, right? Like in Matrix or something. I'm both at the beginning and the end, or something like that. I like that super clean scene, though I don't do any promo for like Discord or like Twitter or whatever, but all the info are down. Maybe I should have just something that have CB doing like a little cuckoo kind of thing. I don't know. Peekaboo! I like it very clean like that. Yeah, it is. I like that. Talk. Which one would it be? Would it be this one or that one? Oh, I think, yeah, for now let's keep that one. So talk, we'll go and change it. We'll go behind my cloud and it will be cloud and stuff, and voila. So now if I do this, I go this view, if I go there, in the cloud. I think I want to put some, I want to manage my own cloud, so I always have clouds. Sorry. I was saying, what does it do? Behind my cloud, and I want the scene be right back. Excellent, but I won't touch it. Secret. I was intermission. Yeah, I need a new secret scene. Okay, tools are tools. One full. One full, I think I will go here, so one full will be there. But I think I should have a folder and have the other possibility. What's code? Yeah, maybe that will be a folder here. Yeah, let's do that. We'll delete this. I'll put a folder. We'll call it extra. Oh, the parachute game didn't work? I will have the DVD achievement right in the corner. So I think here it will be a scene. So it will be OBS. OBS scene. And it will be full left. Though it's not. Yeah, okay, I will put left here. And it will be left here. Can I copy paste? Excellent. So here instead of left it will be center, and here it will be right. Now I could do this, and I could do this, and now I could do blip, blip, blip. Oh, didn't set that one? Yeah. Oh, center. Zook, zook. Oh, that was strange. Oh, didn't work. I want this to be a right. Or okay. Voila, voila. Now it's working. That was. And now everybody's sick. Okay, what else do I have? I have the half and half. I was having it here. Boom. Cool. And we still have CB available. Oh yeah, I need my my little animation. I need to create my. Oh yeah, I need. Okay, so that's why I need to find back my stuff. So, I don't have it here. So let's go in. Not trash. So I'm afraid to find stuff that I don't wanna. That I don't want to public yet. That looked like the intro, right? So let's make a copy here. Let's make a copy of this thing here. The Behind My Cloud logo, though I don't think I will be using it, but It's cool. That does do the... Yeah, I want that thing here. Should I have like asset? Maybe I should have a CB asset. That would be easier. CB. I'll put all the CB here. So now we want here, we wanna create a scene. Yeah, so let's bring this thing here. Let's add a timestamp. So how was your week, Cloudies? Mine was cool. Mine was cool. The intro. I think the intro will start from... I think I will create a new one. So we'll call that intro animation. Seems correct. Pretty busy, Pascal Jabin. More work than I can do. I need a clone. No kidding, yeah? Okay, so here I want to add, in the animation I don't want to add much. I think, do I want my mic? I think I don't even want my mic. I think I don't have the music everywhere also. So here I have it, here I don't. There it is. Here I have it, here I have it, here I have it, here I have it, here I don't. So now I have it. And we'll create a new scene, and it's a VLC source. What's the difference between media source and VLC source? I have no clue. Let's use VLC source. Multis and inceptions. Oh, because I'm in multiple screen? Well, since I'm playing OBS, I thought I would share that. Oh, that's a playlist. Oh, well, okay, so I don't want that. So we'll delete this, remove. Now I want to add a media source. I'll say there it is. Now I want my video, so I go in my this stream asset video, and then I pick this one. Boom. Do you want a loop? No. Restart playback? No, no, no. So let's go to that scene, see if it's working, and I will see you just after. Welcome to the stream, Cloudies. I'm Frank Boucher, and I'm streaming since forever. But I didn't learn. Didn't back up my scenes, and I delete everything. Welcome to the show, where we have fun about Frank mistakes. So I think that's what we do, and when we're done, we go at this one. Cool. Whoops. Did I? Yeah. Frank, you closed too many windows. I want to go back here. So now this is fixed. Talk is fixed. Be right. My favorite. Full one. The two I will need Mr. It's not working because parachute is not everywhere. Could it be? There are so many of me in that screen. I'm everywhere. Hello, Cloudies. Let's check. So parachute game is here. So in this one, yeah, parachute game is there. CB should be on top of it though. Parachute is here. Parachute is here. Parachute. 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 Yeah, parachute is mostly everywhere. That's my favorite. Okay, what do we do? What do we add now? Should we add at the top maybe behind my cloud some time to time that spawn so you remember you are watching behind my cloud? No. Should I ask the Twitter look so people can find me or they will find me? I don't know. The chat is showing, right? Yes, the chat is showing. Oh yeah, cloud, some cloud moving, that could be cool. Though I wish I could do that in, I think, yeah, maybe we could do that today. Some JavaScript, CSS thing, whatever, add a layer and have the chat to control. I don't know what I should do. It could be cool to have CB just showing up. I'm not sure how others are doing that. Is it just a very, very long animated GIF? Is it? So Pascal, you beat your own score. So now you are seriously the beginning and the end, right? Was it the drop high recent? There it is, Copper Birdie. Okay, let's do something, right? I don't know what to do. What should we do? Should we add the cloud? Should we start working on something? I have too many projects I want to work on, so I was not prepared because I knew my stream was kind of broken. At least now we have the basic cover. But I'm on the cloud since forever. Well, like just like that, just like, you know, showing, just moving. Work on the rigging the drop game. Not sure I should do that. Should try to build. Maybe we could do that. Build. Yeah, maybe we could do that. Like, in the chatbot, we could have, yeah, I have some cloud image, I think. Yeah, that I use with Jason. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen, right? Let's move that out of the way for now. So I have this few clouds, right? So we could add inside, we can try to display some cloud in that chatbot layer and have them moving all the time. Kind of with the randomness, and maybe play with the size or whatever. Yeah, let's try to let's fucked up the chat, but it's been a while since we did that. Did I say bad word? Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's go crazy. Chatbot, where are you? Open repository. Oh, CloudBot. Frank, come on. It's not a chatbot, it's a CloudBot. CB, CloudBot. Okay, yeah, so we definitely need to create a new branch. We'll call that Destroying the Bot. March 18, 19. March 18. Wow. Times flies. So did you, how's your research, Mr. Fragbird? I'm always scared to ask if, you know, bad news, I don't want to rub your face in it kind of thing. Oh, I remember now, like, why I didn't do it the other day is I was like, yeah, I should transform that and just do TypeScript. And I should also mute my my phone. Awesome! Very happy for you, sir. This is cool. It's hard. I have one of my mentees. She's looking for a job and she's not finding. What? Did we? Wait, what? How come you ask me if I assign a project? You're not supposed to be broken yet, Mr. Butt. Strange. Maybe when yeah, I need, yeah. I think we'll need to recreate that chatbot thing. And maybe use a database or something a little bit more consistent. Should we rewrite it? Of an hour and a half? Definitely not enough time. Well, we could mess around. Let's mess around with the cloud. Let's have fun with that for now. It's all broken anyway. And we'll try to structure something. Okay, let's do that. Let's HTML. So that's our image. So now we want to add image or stuff and make them move. So let's go in full view. Me in the corner. Me in the corner. Oh, I just realized when I'm in the other one here, I should move the chat over. Chat. Yeah, the chat here cannot be on top of me because it's kind of a little bit ridicule. It's a new corner here. Felt great. I like it. Yeah. Sorry. Oh man. Let's try it. The cloud is over there. Oh, over there. Okay, so let's open and by CSS? No. Oh, interesting. Okay, let's try to apply that here. So let's say, oh yeah. Okay, let's some script here. No, pure stuff we're messing around. So I will add a div. And we'll make that bigger, of course. Right, and now in that thing we want an image. Media. Yeah, let's play with that one. Now here we do the style. That's maybe a little bit too big. So we'll do the style. So animation name will be cloud 1 and duration will be 4. Let's do 10 seconds. And here we'll have this. And I'm not changing the background color, I'm doing the, let's say, left, and it will be, I don't know. I'm not sure it makes sense. From 100 to 0, does that work? No. that's cool. Okay, can it be left 0 px to could it be this? No, huh? But how do I know the width, the full? I know, I mean, it should be this, since I want it to cross the full screen. Right? So let's say that made me just realize.
Hi.
So it's always from right to left. Hey, Bellatas, how are you? Yeah, so I could do this and then this, right? And now say, okay, it's way slower, and I could decide that it's also smaller. So width, I have no clue. How big is that GIF? Let's do 200 by 2. Yeah, let's do 250. So width 250 px. So now it's smaller and it should go slower. Hello. Can I do an npm start here? Npm start? No? I need to go in source. Cool. So now it's running. Let's try to see how it looks. Okay, the images are not available. Yeah, I delete everything. Okay, so I did something wrong here. Can I just do this? But they're not moving. I don't know. Maybe he knew I will be not coding, so that's why I didn't join. It's very early for him, so so how come my stuff is not moving? And also, why they are the same size? Wally. Yeah, well, I had a backup, but it was not the most recent, and also like have been like updating, and like every scene was packed with how they call that, sources that I'm not using. So I wanted to do a cleanup for a long time, and that's why even like I deleted them. I was doing some cleanup. But I was doing a cleanup for something where I didn't want anything. I was just using it as a virtual cam. So I went a little bit too heavy on the scrubbing. Okay, so now I just don't understand why. So I have that style animation left to right. I have my animation duration and stuff like that. And I have here the keyframe. Why it's not working? Maybe I need the position relative stuff. It's working. But I don't understand why the size is not working correctly though, and why it's only working once. Well, maybe there's a loop thing. Iteration count. I had OBS use file that Dropbox folder that updates automatically backend, so my code is the same one. I had OBS use file that. Yeah, that like I deleted the scenes, the configuration, not the artifact. So I still have a few artifacts, but I wanted to change a lot of those since a long time. So I was like, well, maybe I should take the time and do some cleanup, right? There it is. Okay. I did it on purpose. No, yes, maybe. I was cleaning up. Yesterday I was doing some cleanup because I wanted to use as a virtual cam. So I was like, I was doing a presentation and I wanted something like this. No, like this. Presenting, blah, blah, blah. And then I could go like that and then like move to different scenes. But I didn't want like everything that I used to have, since I was a kind of an official presentations. I didn't want to chat if anybody by mistake, not by mistake, but by pure randomness went and chat something. I didn't want to see any pop-up. I didn't want CB. I didn't want like any, when there's a new followers, there's like animation and a bunch of stuff. So I didn't want any of that. So like I'd say, oh, we'll just, you know, clean up. And at the same time I was like, I have time, let's delete stuff. And I realized, oops, I deleted too much, because I thought when you were in a profile you are changing stuff, but you don't. So I was doing a new profile, but no, it's scenes collections, so I should have duplicate the scene collection and then, but sometime I do, but sometime I don't. Okay, so now we have our little cloud. Why, like, So now we have our little cloud that spins once. Could be infinite. And we should do body. Let's do a background color here temporarily. There's no background color? I thought, what? No? Okay, style. Let's go in style because I know in style there is. Let's do midnight blue. So here now, I have this. Oh, it's funny how they slow down. Okay, and I saw something with delay, I think. Yeah, animation delay. What's fill mode? So CSS animation not affected by element before the keyframe is playing after the keyframe. So animation fill mode property can be what? Oh yeah, we'll need to have Z layer also and position. Okay, so I need a delay. What was it again? Animation delay. Can I go here now that I put relative? Maybe. So animation iteration count infinite. So there it is. And now also one thing I want to put is the top. So this one, let's put it at 10 px. And the z index, so this one will be 100, this one will be 50, and it will be 1 and 2, and let's put that one at here. No, let's put that one behind everything, or in squeeze. Okay, let's do that. Let's do this one at 101, this one at 100, and let's refresh. Oh, so the top thing didn't work. Can I go 120% here? Can I go percentage? Yeah, now they are leaving. Okay, but here I should do something like minus 10%. And maybe just 110%. And why the top is not working? My goal is to add by programmation, like a div, and randomize those numbers, and that's why I don't put it in the style. So I will say, hey, add a cloud and like have different, though animation count infinite. I could put that on the top and only have an override if, for example, it's added by points, right? So here I could do something like this. Oh no. I just don't understand why the minus didn't. Okay, minus works too. think minus 20 was better. Okay. Okay, so why the top is not working here? What I'm doing wrong? Why they are not at different position? That's cool, Copper Birdie. So if we do drop top. Excellent. Let's continue. So I don't understand why the top didn't work. It should work. Any idea? Did you land again, Copper Birdie? Damn it. You're in fire. And you beat your score by 1%. Not by 1%, but by 1. So I don't understand. Also, I think now I see it like they are display before the anim is, so I need that was a feature, right? That was a the timing function. Okay. Well, I wish you luck, sir. Wish you luck. I would position absolute as they are independent. You're right. Why I put sorry, I didn't see it before. You're totally right. Why did I put relative? Also, I think I should have like a style here instead, like a class. Something like dot moving cloud. And I could put the like animation thing could go here. And what else? I could put the let's remove that. And the infinite animation count. Could go here also. Right, so I could remove this here, I could remove that here. Let's remove the wrapping. Voila. Now what I need is a class. Now you put this moving cloud. There it is. Okay, now the duration, it's okay, I will change it. Position, relative, so this I can remove it. And we'll put something here and we'll put absolute. Absolute. Ah, there it is. Hey, Punkix! How I am today? Not too bad, not too bad. I don't know why they changed speed though. And they are going way too fast. But for now it's cool, we're learning. So it's better to see something moving fast than too slow. Okay, so there was something. So anime duration, we find that delay. That was a thing also, right? Two-second of delay before starting the animation. But point is, negative value is also using a negative value. The animation will start as if they already been playing for n seconds. Oh no, I don't want that. How many time? Okay. Oh, that's cool. You could play it also like reverse. Interesting. Ah, specify the speed of the curve. So we want something linear, I think. Oh, we could change it. We could change it. So yeah, animation timing function. Ease, specify an animation who slow start, then fast, then slow it. Like, yeah, that's the default. We don't want that. I think we want linear, but ease in, ease out, ease in. Let you define your own shit. But yeah, I think we wanted that and then linear. I like that. I have no idea what it is though, but it looks super cool. Okay. Specify the fill mode for an animation. So the CSS, and like I could zoom that too, right? Sorry for that. I should have thought about that. I was trying to keep the animation visible. So the fill at animation mode pretty can override this behavior. So the animation fill mode property specifies the style for the target element when the animation is not playing. The animation fill mode property can have following value: none, the default value. Animation will not apply any style forwards. The element will retain the style value that is set by the last keyframe Oh, I think we want that too. So it should be backward maybe. So now I think if we refresh, we don't see them. That's prettier. Hey! Yes, Mira, Miss, how are you? Are you user girl? No, your name is user girl, or did you change your name? On no response. I'm assuming you're not. Welcome aboard. Welcome. We're just having fun here, trying to create some animation, and I like that. But they are all kind of at the same time. But because I had them at the same. Okay. I'm not what you thought I was. That's fine. That's fine. Well, welcome. So animation delay, we have that. Okay, so the shorthand property. What's animation shorthand property? The exam follow use 6 of those animation properties. Oh yeah, it's just like, hey, together. Ah, so I could do like just animation and an example 5 second. Though I like the fact that it's explicit here. Sure, the number are between 0 and 50. What do you mean? Which number? Image sprite? Oh. Okay. Talking about the Lotto took me for a sec. Okay, so instead of 1, oh no. Yeah, now I understand. Okay. So that's cool. I don't know why it's flashing. Is it flashing for you? Okay, so I have clouds now. So now I just need to have create some function that puts some randomness into it, right? in our code here, we need to create those things by code, adding them. I should put. Let's put that one on like that. And now, whoops, bring the code. That looks cool. I like that. But now we want to create DOM object by programmation. Okay. That's what we want to create. Okay, so Control H. What is it again? Just in selection. Double quote into single quote. There it is. Okay, so here we have our object. Do we have some random stuff in there? Random. Okay. So we need const and we'll do anim duration. And then it will be this, and I think, whoops, I think the minimum should be, let's say 20. And here, the delay 5-second delay. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. And now what else do we need? We need a delay. We need a top. And let's say it could be up to 200. And we need a Z index. Anim Z index. Anim Z. And that one could be from 1 to 5, and we'll add plus 100 from 0 to 4. Yeah, that's good enough. 4 level of cloud, that's good. Index, and then we need the size. We want a number between 1 and between 20 yeah. How do you have in between? That's what I want. From 0 to 200, and then here it's between 100 and 105, and anim size would be between 20 and 100%. Cool. So now I have all my variable. I need to assign them. Could I just add an object to the what will be the JavaScript add div to body. Yeah, it's dumb app and child, right? Yeah, that's what I want to do here. Instead of var, I will do const. Could say we're building a cloud, so let's call it a cloud. Oh no, this is a div. So yeah, that could be an element. Yeah, let's go back. Okay, let's just call it an element. Okay. So my style, it's Is there a better way to do the concatenation stuff? I'm streaming. Trade some pally? I need to be the tick, right? So I need to be this instead. And now here I would say I want the duration and the delay here. And here it will be the anim top. And here it will be the anim z. Are you working in Microsoft? I'm working at Microsoft. Yes, I'm a Microsoft employee. So now we'll create EMG. And oh, I need also to yeah, so I need to create this one will be a cloud. So now cloud dot src equal equal this. And now cloud dot width equal, now I do tick and I do this, and let's try the anim size, no, the anim size percent. Cool. I'm glad you're happy that I work at Microsoft. How, did you have any questions? So now what I want to do is element dot app and child. I'm assuming there's something like that. Yeah, app and child. I want to append my cloud in it, and whoop. And also there's one thing we forgot to do in our element is we need to specify a class name. We need to specify that is a moving cloud. Will it works? I have no, I was just not curious. I was just curious. Well, now you know. Yeah, I'm a cloud advocate. I've been working at Microsoft for about 2 years. Is it true? Not sure. Around. Yeah, I think. Okay, so now we could create cloud. Should we try it? Let's do this here. Now if I do this, create cloud is not defined. Oh yeah, because I need to the what? Oh man, Frank, when will you learn? Okay. I've been buzz. We need, if that works, we might stop for today. But that's cool because we'll be implementing that soon. So let's go in the console. And how can I run this? Undefined. We have an undefined. I don't know what's undefined mean. Well, I know what it means, but why do we have it undefined? Can I go make a breakpoint maybe? Okay, so now if I do it again, okay, is it too big? I can make it bigger. Oh, how can I make it bigger? Voila, it's much bigger. So we have all our constants that are assigned. Yeah, but nothing showed up. So that cool. So now we go boom, boom, boom. Whoa. Oh, that didn't work. Yeah, that didn't work. Class name work. Okay, so my assignation at here, maybe I need to put that in a string before. Oh no, like maybe I need to assign it. Oh, I'm about to sneeze. Sorry. Okay, so let's fix that. I think didn't like here my string, so we'll create here a constant. We'll call that element style. We'll be doing, come on, oh, this here. And here we'll be able to just do this instead. Maybe there's some typos also here that doesn't work, so we'll be able to catch that. Let's try again. So if I do now create cloud, please. Oh, did he remove my breakpoints? No. Okay. Oh, damn it. Sorry. Come on. Why are you not? Arrgh! So duration 60 seconds. Oh, there's the at every time. Oh no, I don't want that. So I don't need this. Oh, that was supposed to be at the beginning, maybe? Oof. Oh no, that looks good. Oh, sorry. Let's try again. Come on. Why it's not... There it is. Okay, let's have a look. So animation duration 20 seconds. I could remove the space. Animation delay 1 second. Top 25 px. Z index 100. Cool. So that looked legit. So now if we assign that, it looks like it worked. Now let's see. So I'm creating an object. Now style, yeah, it worked. Excellent. Okay, cool. So that was working. Bing, bing, bing. What uncut reference create cloud is blah blah not defined. Why are you in Grammarly? What if... why am I in an extension? I don't want to be an extension. Okay, let's remove the breakpoint. I don't see more cloud. Bless you. Thank you. I don't see more cloud. We're so close. Why don't I see more cloud? We should see tons of clouds, but it's not working. Oh yeah. But oh, width 0, 0. So it cannot be percentage? Okay, let's fix that. So size, what was the size again of those animated GIF? It was 540. So let's do 540. And let's do px. Good call. Who was Fade Out Sama? Thank you. That's a good call. delay 0, top 8x, okay, duration, image, width is again 0 and 0. Okay, so we do something bad when we assign here. Should I do this? It's expecting a number. So like, oh. Should I just do this? Let's try it. It's working. Oh no, that's not what I was looking for. Happy cloud every day. A lot of smiley cloud. Yeah, thank you, cloudies. So we'll be able to add that. And I like that they are going in the different. So I need to make them go in the same sense that the drop game, because otherwise it's kind of, it doesn't make any sense. Well, that's cool. I like that. Well, thank you. That was nice. That was fun. So we'll be able to do that. We'll be able to add maybe some transparency, because obviously when we code we don't want like the full cloud, but we'll be able to add transparency, that in the style. I like that. That's cool. And maybe add some shadows or something. And I will be using the or maybe creating, but I will use those here. So we'll have a little bit more randomness also. So maybe I have a different random, say 1 to 4, and then like it will pick one in an array, and then I will just pick one of those images or something like that. Ah, that was a good stream. Let's find who's streaming right now. Live coders. Who is streaming right now? We'll go raid. How many are we? 7? A little raid. We could go see Lila. Viking stuff? Nope. Not a game. Not a game. Should mute that. So thank you all. Thank you all for today's stream. Couldn't be possible without you. So really appreciate it. So have a good weekend. I will see you on Wednesday. We'll continue to work on, I don't know which project we will be working on, but we will. Sorry, I'm laughing at what's happening in like the screen. So send her some love. Have a good weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye!